defamation of character. I know this is not your first time of hearing about defamation, but the law of defamation protects individuals and organizations from false statements that will damage their reputation. Then the question is, what is defamation? Defamation is a false statement made against someone that will harm the person's reputation. It can be a spoken word, that is slander. It can be in writing, that is libel. So let's see what constitutes defamation, because everything does not constitute defamation. Let's see the elements that the law looks at to say that yes, this person's fame has been tampered with. Now, first of all, it has to be a false statement. So, of course, the statement made, if it's a true statement, of course, it's not defamation. Then it must be published. So it's not just like you said it alone. You must have shared the news or information with another person. And of course, the third one, it's damage to reputation. It must have put the person's reputation in doubt. The law also looks at the intention of the maker of the statement. So the defamatory statement must do the following. 1, diminish the person's esteem among the rational members of the community. Secondly, cause the individual to be shown, avoided, or even isolated. Thirdly, put the person in danger of being hated or scorned, or it's more affects the person's financial foundation, and maybe also put doubt on the person's personality in his profession and industry or position. Things that does not constitute defamation. Defamation does not go to the extent of everyday vulgar abuse. For instance, two persons exchanging words, and one person calls the other thief and the other person calls the other prostitute in a heated argument. That does not amount to defamation of character. If you want to bring an action for defamation of character, you need to do that timelessly. Section 10 of Limitation Law of Lagos State even provide that it must be brought within 3 years. The person who has been defamed, it has remedies in law. Firstly, it can be monetary damages. Secondly, it can be by injunction, restraining the person from further acts of defamation. Thirdly, it can be by order of court for the retraction of that defamatory statement. And lastly, it can be by letter of apology. A person's good name and reputation are legally protected, and in the event that they are tarnished without lawful justification, the person is